the Fruity Factory where we have a blast. Chef Fruity's in the kitchen, teaching fruits that'll make you last. From apples to bananas, oranges to grapes, we'll learn the alphabet while having fun. No time for mistakes. Ooh, come on down to the Fruity Factory, where the magic of fruits comes alive. Taste the sweetness of nature, feel the colors so bright. Chef Fruity and the crew gonna take you on a fruity ride.
In the Fruity Factory kitchen, Chef Fruity and her young fruit enthusiasts gather for a calm and cheerful start to today's banana-filled adventure.
Welcome back to the Fruity Factory, everyone. Today we're starting a fun banana-filled adventure together. Are you ready to peel into some fruity fun?
Yes, Chef Fruity.
Wonderful. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of bananas. Bananas are one of the most popular and ubiquitous fruits in the world. But how many of you know where they come from?
Maybe.
The grocery store.
Ha 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 ha. A good start, Emma. But before the grocery store. They come from a farm, of course. And today we're going to Ben's banana farm.
A whole farm of bananas? Wow.
That's right, Jackson. So, hop aboard the Fruity Fun bus, and let's go.
Howdy, Fruity Factory friends. Welcome to Ben's Banana Farm. I'm Ben, and I grow the best bananas this side of the equator.
These are so many bananas. Are they all the same?
Nope. We have all sorts here. Cavendish, lady fingers, even some red Dhaka. But, let's learn a bit about how these grow, shall we?
Wow, it takes a long time for them to grow.
It does, Lily. But it's worth the wait for that sweet, creamy taste. And each banana plant only fruits once, they are really something. Now, who wants to help me harvest some ripe bananas?
Yay.
Yay. Yay.
These are heavy.
They sure are, Noah. That's because they're full of potassium and energy, ready to fuel your adventures. Now, you can head back to the Fruity Factory and make something delicious.
The kids wave goodbye to Ben and board the Fruity Fun bus again.
Chef Fruity and the kids are back in the kitchen, surrounded by ripe bananas. All right, Fruity Factory friends, what shall we create with our wonderful bananas? How about a delicious banana smoothie? Yum! I love smoothies. Me too. They're so refreshing. Perfect. Banana smoothies are super easy and super tasty. Here's what we need: bananas, of course, your favorite plant milk, a little honey for sweetness, and some ice. Jackson, can you peel the bananas please and put them in the blender?
You bet, Chef Fruity.
Sophie, can you measure out the milk please?
1 cup of milk, coming right up.
Lily, a drizzle of honey, please. Just a little bit? I don't want it to be too sweet. Good thinking. And Noah, can you add some ice cubes please?
Ice cubes reporting for duty.
Excellent teamwork, everyone. Now, Ava, will you do the honors of hitting the blend button?
Yes.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Tada. Banana smoothies, made with love and teamwork.
Thanks for watching. Keep exploring fruits A to Z with Chef Fruity and the crew. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.
And that's all the fruity fun we have time for today. Thanks for joining us on our banana adventure. Remember to eat your fruits and veggies, and we'll see you next time on the Fruity Factory.